Everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In today's session, we will continue exercise 8.3 of comparing quantities. Let's start with question number 9. Okay, so it says find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4096 if he gave it for 18 months. Time period is given how much? 18 months at a rate of 12.5% per annum, interest being compounded half yearly. So since the interest is being compounded half yearly, it means we will make changes in time period and rate. So let's first write what all is given. So principal is how much? Principal is given rupees 4096. If we gave it for 18 months, it means time period is 18 months. Now you are calculating it half yearly. So in 18 months, how many half years will be there? We know 1 year has 12 months, right? And another plus 6 months. So it means 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many half years? 1, 2 and 3. So we can write it as T is equals to 3 half years in 18 months. At a rate of 12 1 by 2%. If you expand it, if you open this mixed fraction as improper, 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2%. Now since you are calculating the interest half yearly, it means you have to divide it by half. How much it will be? Rate becomes 25 by 4%, right? Now we have to calculate the amount. What is the formula for amount? Amount is equals to principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power t, correct? Now let's place the values in this. Amount you have to calculate. Principal is 4096, 1 plus r upon 100, right? Because it was 25 by 4 into 100. We can write it as 25 upon 400 and the time period is 3 because 3 half years are there. Now, let's solve it. Let's how much it will be? 25 ones are and 25 6 are 150. So amount will be 4096. Let's take the LCM here. 16 as LCM, then 16 plus 1 whole cube, correct? So amount 4096 into 17 upon 16. How many times? Power is 3. So we'll expand it 3 times. 17 upon 16 and 17 upon 16. Now let's see how we can simplify it. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4, 0, 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. Correct? This is again divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6s are 24. Now 16 square is 256. It means 16 into 16 can be cancelled with 256. So I am having now amount is how much? 17 into 17 into 17. Now 17 into 17 is how much? 289. And we have to multiply it with another 17. Let's simplify it. 7 9s are 63, 7 8s are 56 plus 6 2 here. Then carry 7 2s are 14 and this is 20. Now 1 9s are 9, 8 and 2. Add it 9, 4. So it means amount is coming how much? Rupees 4,913 rupees. So this is the amount which Ram will give back after 18 months. Hence, Ram will give back how much? Rupees 4,913. So he has taken 4,096 for a period of 18 months at a rate of 12.5%. But how much he will be returning? He will be returning rupees 4,913. So this was question number 9. Let's see question number 10 of this exercise. Question number 10 is the population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at a rate of how much? 5% per annum. You have to calculate what was the population in 2001 and what would be the population in 2005. So before the solution of this question, I'll just explain you one concept here. So this is the current population in 2003 is 54,000. You have to calculate 2 years back what was the population, and in second part after 2 years, means in 2005 what will be the population here, that is you have to calculate. Now in first part it says that the population has increased, it means this is your increased population. In first part we are only considering 2001 and 2003, so this is by increased population. This is increased population means this should be the amount and this should be the principal, correct? Because 2003 is the population when it has been increased by 5%. Rather in second part, what would be its population in 2005 and it is increasing. It means when we will do for second part, I will be considering this and this. And 2005 population you have to calculate. It means this will be the principal in that case and amount we will be calculating. Rather in first case amount is given and principal you have to calculate. So your increased population will always be amount, right? Write in money also. If it is 200 rupees and you calculate amount after a certain period with a certain rate comes out to be increased one, right? It will never be lesser than 220. So increased will always be amount and the lesser will always be principal. Using this concept, we will be solving this question. So let's quickly begin with the solution of question number 10. Okay, so we will first do part 1. Part 1, the population, so we will write population increased in 2003 is how much? 54,000. So this is increased population, it means this is your amount given, right? At a rate of 5%. Time period from 2003 to 2005 is 2 years, right? We have to calculate population in 2001, which becomes your principal, correct? So let's do it. Amount is equals to principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power t. Amount is how much? 54,000. Principal we have to calculate 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to the power 2, correct? Now if I just simplify it, principal as it is, take the LCM. So this becomes 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. Now we will do cross multiplication. I can assume 1 here. Cross multiplication and we will see what principal is coming out when we do the cross multiplication. So using cross multiplication your principal becomes how much? 54,000 into 100 into 100, and what will be in the numerator? Denominator it will be 105 and 105. So 105 into 105. Let's begin with the cancellation part with the calculation carefully. So first you see 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are, and this is also cancelled with 5 2s are 10 and 0. Again I can do 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are, and this is again your 20. Now how much it will be? It is divisible by, if you see 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 1 2 3 as it is, again divisible by 3 6s are 18, 1 2 3, so 6,000, right? So how much it will be if I multiply? 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 7 sevens are 49. It means we have to divide this number by 49. With, we have to be very careful with the calculations. So let's look carefully now. 49 to be divided by 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 49 is very much bigger than 24. So we will divide these three numbers. It goes 49 into 3. How much it will be? 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12, plus 2 1 47. So it will go 4 times. 4 9s are 36, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16, 196. Now subtract, and 13 minus 9 is again 4. Copy a 0, right? 3 we have tried, 4 times is 196. So let's see for a bigger number. How much is 6? 6 nines are 24 plus 5 to 94 is very smaller. So it will go how much time? 8 times. 32, 13, 9. Now 10 minus 2, 8 and 13 minus 9 is again how much? 13 minus 9 will be how much? 4. Now you copy this 0. How many times it will go now? We will again try. So you have 420 to be divided by 49. So 8 times we have seen is 392. So it can go 9 times now. How much it will be? 8 carry 4, 16, then it will be 44. 9, 13 minus 4 will be 11 minus this will be 3. So we are getting a 39. Then again we copy a 0, 390. How much times? Again 7 times. 7 we have done, 7 nines are, then 6 carry, 7 fours are 28 plus 6 will be 343. Okay, now subtract it, then minus and then 8 minus 4 this. Again we can copy the 0. We have left with 1 0 because yeah. So 470 it will be 9 times. 441. How much you are getting? We will get 470 when we are subtracting 9. 6 minus 4 will be 0. Add one more 0. How much it will be? This 0 we can only add if we add a decimal in the quotient, right? Now how much times? If you do 49 into 4, 4 nines are 36, 4 fours are 16, 196. We can go 5 times also. 5 nines are 45 and 20 this. So we are having 45. Now we can again add a 0. We will do it till 2 places of decimal. So this we have already done. 441, 9. So the remainder is 9. So we will leave it here till 2 decimal places. So how much is your principal coming? We will not write rupees since we are calculating the population. Now the population cannot be in the decimal, right? It cannot be in the decimal. So what we will do? We will round it off. So when we round it off, this 9 becomes 10. It means this number will be your how much? 80. So 48980 approx. So this will be the population. This was the population. In which year? This was the population in 2001. Right? Now in second part, we have to calculate the population in 2005. So second part where you have to calculate the population in 2005, principal is given how much? 54,000 at a rate of 5%, and time period from 2003 to 2005 will again be 2 years. Here principal is given and we have to calculate the amount. Amount is how much? Principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power t. Let's place the value 54,000. 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to the power 2. We will not simplify it because I would like to cancel the zeros here. 105 upon 100 and expand it 2 times. Now these are 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3. 5 to the 10. Correct? How much it is making? Or let's leave it like this only because this 10 we will directly divide. Now it means amount is coming how much? Amount is coming 54 into 105 into 105 upon 10. So we will not simplify it further because we will directly place the decimal using this 10. So first let's do 105 into 105 carefully. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 0 1 gives you 5 10 1 1. So this is coming out 11025 to be multiplied with 54. 20 8 10 4 ones are 4 4 ones are 4. Now 5 5s are 25 to carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 and 5. If you add it you are getting 5 9. So we get 50 lakh 5,95,350 upon 10. So amount is coming 5,95,350 upon 10. This is cancelled. So what is the population? 5 Now 59,535. So this is the population in 2005. Okay, so this is how we have calculated it carefully. You have to be very careful with the calculation part in these questions. And this was question number 10 of this exercise. With this I finish this video. Please do watch my next video for last two question 11 and 12 of this exercise. Till then, bye bye, take care.